In the sunlit meadow, Martha arranges a picnic with meticulous care. Snowball and Cookie frolic around Martha, their playful energy filling the air. Cookie bats playfully at a bottle of milk, her curiosity piqued. Martha carefully positions a shiny red apple among the picnic fare. The kittens circle the picnic basket, their excitement building. The sun-drenched meadow is alive with the promise of a delightful picnic. Martha arrives at the lakeside, setting the stage for a serene picnic. Snowball and Cookie watch with eager anticipation as Martha prepares their lakeside feast. The air buzzes with excitement as milk is poured, cheese is sliced, and berries are arranged. Snowball eagerly laps up the creamy milk, his tail wagging. Cookie delicately nibbles at a piece of cheese, savoring each bite. The sun glistens on the berries as Martha shares the sweet treats with her eager companions. Beside the tranquil lake, Snowball and Cookie revel in the joy of the day, their energy boundless. They playfully chase shimmering dragonflies, their paws sending ripples across the water's calm surface. Martha observes from a distance, her heart swelling with affection at the sight of their unbridled happiness. The dragonflies flit and dance, leading Snowball and Cookie in a merry chase along the lakeside. Each splash and bark echoes Martha's silent vow to protect their innocence and joy. In this idyllic scene, time seems to slow, capturing a perfect moment of pure, unadulterated bliss. The family gathers, silhouettes painted against the vibrant canvas of the setting sun, sharing a tranquil moment by the serene lakeside. Bathed in the golden light, the family relaxes, their faces aglow with contentment as they soak in the tranquil beauty of the lakeside sunset. The warm sunset glow envelops the family, their laughter echoing softly across the tranquil lake, creating an idyllic scene of love and unity. As the sun dips below the horizon, the family remains, their bond strengthened by the shared experience of nature's breathtaking spectacle. In the fading light, the family silhouettes linger against the darkening sky, a lasting memory of a perfect sunset by the tranquil lakeside. As the sun dips below the horizon, Martha, Snowball, and Cookie journey homeward through the tranquil meadow. Cookie strides ahead, clutching the picnic basket, like a trophy of their sun-kissed adventure. The glow of sunset casts long shadows, painting the meadow in hues of gold and amber as they continue. Martha pauses, her gaze sweeping over the tranquil landscape, a sense of contentment washing over her. Together, they embrace the tranquility of the meadow, their silhouettes etched against the fading light. In the quiet kitten's room, Martha tenderly prepares Snowball and Cookie for sleep. The moonlight paints the room in a gentle, ethereal glow, blessing the scene with peace. Martha finishes tucking Snowball into bed, her movements soft and caring. Now, she turns her attention to Cookie, ensuring both kittens are snug and secure for the night. The room settles into a peaceful stillness, bathed in moonlight as the kittens drift off to sleep. Sunlight floods the cozy cabin, illuminating the peaceful scene as Martha prepares to teach Snowball and Cookie the ancient art of maple tapping. Martha's gentle guidance ignites curiosity in Snowball and Cookie, their eyes wide with anticipation as they watch her every move. Martha demonstrates the careful process, her hands moving with practiced grace as she taps the maple tree, showing the beavers. Snowball's eagerness bubbles over as he mimics Martha's actions, his paws clumsily but enthusiastically reaching for the tapping tool. Cookie watches attentively, absorbing every detail as the sweet scent of maple sap fills the air, signaling the beginning of their sugary adventure. Tiny kittens emerge into a vast, snowy expanse, their first steps leaving delicate imprints on the untouched canvas. One kitten, emboldened by curiosity, leaps playfully, momentarily vanishing beneath the fluffy surface. Another kitten attempts a clumsy somersault, its small body tumbling head over heels in the crisp, white snow. The playful chase begins, a flurry of tiny paws leaving a trail of ephemeral prints across the wintry landscape. Undeterred by the biting cold, their boundless energy transforms the serene snowscape into a vibrant playground. Inside the cozy cabin, warmth battles the encroaching cold as shadows dance on the walls. Martha, Snowball, and Cookie seek solace in each other's company, their breaths painting fleeting patterns in the air. A symphony of sweet aromas fills the intimate space as Martha stirs her concoction. The scent of snow and maple syrup promises a sweet escape from the winter's icy grip. Bathed in the soft glow of day, a family unites before their cabin, embarking on a creative quest amidst the snowy expanse. With nimble hands, they adorn their snowcat, carefully placing nature's ornaments, each berry, each twig, meticulously positioned, transforming snow into a vibrant sculpture of winter joy. Laughter echoes through the crisp air as their shared creation blossoms, a testament to familial harmony. The snowcat, now a mosaic of color against the white, stands ready for imaginative adventures in the frosted landscape. Their snowcat stands complete, a vivid emblem of love and collaboration under the serene winter sky. The cozy cabin glows warmly, a crackling fire casting dancing shadows across the room. Martha sits peacefully, a gentle smile lighting her face as Snowball purrs contentedly on her lap. Cookie lies sprawled near the hearth, his tail thumping softly against the wooden floor, a picture of contentment. Steam rises from mugs of warm drinks, promising comfort and warmth. Heart-shaped cookies rest on the table, a sweet offering in the tranquil scene. Martha gently strokes Snowball, her smile deepening as the fire crackles softly in the background. In the sun-drenched garden, Martha, Snowball, and Cookie tend to their crops with joyful hearts. Martha gently pulls a vibrant orange carrot from the soil, its color a stark contrast against the dark earth. Nearby, Snowball carefully plucks a ripe red strawberry from its stem, the sweet scent filling the air. Cookie, with a basket in her arm, scans the garden with a look of satisfaction. Sunlight drenches the warm kitchen as Martha, dusted with flour, radiates joy. Snowball, the fluffy white cat, and Cookie, the loyal golden retriever, fix their gaze on Martha. Martha whisks batter in a large bowl, her movements fluid and practiced. The trio creates a cozy scene, filled with warmth and anticipation. In the vibrant garden, Buddy, a fluffy golden retriever puppy, bursts onto the scene, his tail a whirlwind of joy. Children's laughter fills the air as they reach out to offer gentle pets and adoring gazes to the playful puppy. The family gathers around a picnic blanket, their smiles reflecting the sweetness of the frosted cake that centers their joyful gathering. As the sun dips low, a warm glow envelops the scene, signaling the start of an enchanting evening. A small fire crackles to life, casting dancing shadows as the family prepares for an evening of celebration. With unrestrained joy, the family, Buddy included, dances around the flickering flames, their laughter echoing through the evening air. Sunlight bathes the cozy kitchen as Martha prepares for a special celebration. Snowball and Cookie watch with eager eyes, anticipating a sweet treat. With gentle guidance, Martha involves her furry friends in the joyful process of creating a birthday cake. The bowl overflows with batter, the heart of the preparation. A candle, shaped like 3, stands ready, a silent promise of celebration and joy. Under the vast sky, Martha, Snowball, and Cookie appear as silhouettes against the shimmering shoreline. With practiced hands, they sift through the wet sand, each movement a treasure hunt. Cookie's eyes sparkle with each discovery, her face illuminated by the ocean's glow. Snowball's paws tap rhythmically, his senses alert to the hidden gems beneath the surface. Clams and pearls emerge like secrets revealed, each find a small victory. The seaside whispers tales of patience and reward as they continue their search. As dusk descends, the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant orange and deep purple. Martha expertly grills clams over the open fire, the rich aroma of the sea blending with the savory scent of cooking shellfish. The family gathers around a makeshift table, their faces glowing in the fire's warm embrace. Laughter echoes as the flames dance, painting the scene with joy and warmth. Under the vast sky, a family strolls along the serene beach, their laughter echoing in the gentle breeze. Intrigue sparks as they discover a large, mysteriously colored egg nestled in the golden sand. The earth seems to hold its breath as the egg begins to crack, heralding a miraculous birth. From within the shattered shell, Chirp emerges, a tiny beacon of life against the vast seascape. The family watches in awe as Chirp takes its first unsteady steps on the shore. Under the relentless summer sun, the watermelon field stretches endlessly, a testament to the day's labor. Martha wields a large knife, slicing into a giant watermelon with practiced ease. Snowball diligently scoops out the juicy red flesh, a burst of color against the green rind. Cookie strains the juice, ensuring every drop of sweetness is captured. Chirp carefully pours the fresh juice into popsicle molds, a promise of cool relief. Bathed in the warm glow of summer, a vast watermelon field stretches endlessly under the sun. Beneath the generous shade of a sprawling tree, a weathered family gathers, their faces etched with warmth and love. Amidst the gentle scene, Tweet, a small bird, dances around them, its expectant chirps filling the air with simple joys. With tender gestures, they share their humble meal, offering crumbs of bread and sweet pieces of watermelon to their tiny, feathered companion. Sunlight bathes the wool room, illuminating the soft textures and earthy tones where Martha stands. Snowball and Cookie sit attentively, their eyes fixed on Martha. "Today, my dears," Martha begins, her voice filled with warmth, "we unravel the secrets of wool." She gestures gently, promising to reveal the journey from fluffy fleece to cozy garments. The room seems to hush in anticipation, as if even the wool listens to the unfolding lesson. Under the vast sky, the farm awakens as the family gathers, ready to embrace the day's labor. The sun shines. With practiced hands, some family members plant seeds, their movements as steady as the earth beneath them. Others harvest ripe crops, their hands moving with practiced ease, gathering the fruits of their labor. The air is filled with the earthy scent of soil and the gentle rustling of leaves, a symphony of nature's embrace. In the heart of the kitchen, Martha, Snowball, and Cookie gather, their focus centered on a bubbling pot on the stove. Knives flash as fresh vegetables are meticulously chopped, poised to enrich the simmering stew. The aroma of herbs and spices fills the air as Cookie leans over the pot, stirring the concoction with care. Snowball is standing, holding a basket of herbs, preparing to add the final aromatic touch to the hearty meal. Under the radiant sun, Tom and Pip journey homeward, a tableau of familial warmth. Tom carries a shimmering string of freshly caught fish, a proud provider returning with his bounty. Pip bounces with uncontainable excitement, his tail twitching in joyful anticipation of the feast. A symphony of purrs and happy chirps fills the air as they approach their cozy home. Beneath a vast, starlit sky, Tom and Pip share a quiet moment on a checkered blanket, their small campfire casting a gentle glow. Hoot, a wise old owl, watches over them from a nearby branch as the scent of warm soup fills the air. As the night unfolds, laughter dances through the field as Tom and Pip playfully chase after flickering fireflies. Wrapped in a tender embrace, Tom and Pip find solace in each other's warmth, their handmade lanterns casting a soft, comforting light.